Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We're on Sunday. I hope we're all well. I hope we're all staying safe. I got a request off a friend of mine if I would pick padlock that you would normally find in the UK, and search through all my padlocks. Most of them are American or German, and I don't mean like Abus. It means the bigger ones. And the only thing I could come across, because I've got a couple of these, is this Tri-Circle ZX 865. Now, I've got one of these under here, which has been turned into an actual challenge lock. Still got to pick that yet. But I've got a couple of these things. They're a big weighty padlock. It says it's hardened. Remember, though, it's a Tri-Circle. There's a possibility. I've got a file on me to find out. You can only tell just through sound. Fairly wide keyway. I'll show you the bitting on the keys. Yeah, he was curious because he's only just recently started watching my videos, and he's never done any picking, and he was just curious. So I said I'd look for something that was we have more or less in the UK. You know, these will get on gates and things like that. Even though it's a Chinese lock, that makes no difference. But these are actually these are quite common in the UK. Include, you know, things like Abus and Yale, Stanley. But I can't find my Stanleys. I put them away somewhere. I've been tidying up. But I'd say this is quite common because a lot of people, you know, don't really know a lot about locks, and you know, they'll see something big, thick like this and go, "That'll do me." They don't know if it's a terrible lock. They don't see it like that. They just see it as the heavier and the bigger it is, the more secure it is. Possibly on the outside, maybe. But we'll let's see if we can get this picked. The other day, I did start to catch up on some of the videos. I've been commenting again. Very hard to keep up with you lot now these days. You're throwing out content so quick. It's like I can't keep up with yous. Right, let's adjust this little zoom in. Let's check. That's a pretty wide keyway, so let's go for a thick pry bar. That's this one. Might have some slop in there, we don't know. Generally do with these cores. Oh, no, we're held up, okay. And using a medium hook. And top of the keyway tension. We will have a go gut in this. We'll show what's in it. And I'll show you the challenge one lock that I've got that I need to get done, and then I can get that sent off. The other thing I'd say with a cheap Chinese lock, and some Chinese locks are actually quite fun and good picks, but ones with sloppy cores, very difficult to pick because the pins just slop around and you just catch them all up because there's that much slop in the core. So this thing does not give me any type of feedback. An awful thing to pick. I actually need a deeper hook. No. Let's go for an Tazevers. how we're doing on this lockdown. You know, a lot of us, boredom is absolutely driving everybody mad. You know? Oh, this thing is do you know what? Give me my, yeah, there we go. My homemade tension wrench. Be a bit more tougher on these locks with this. Oh, and there we are, we're open. Wow. It just took a change of the tension wrench. Let me take the zoom out. Give me a second. I'm just going to grab this other one while I'm here to show you. Oh. That's the keys for it. Yep. Right, give me 1 second. Let me just get a screwdriver for this lock. Set keys off. There we go. Big screwdriver down there. Do you know what? No, yeah. There we go. Oh, there's a piece of foam in there. There we go. The lock is out. Oh, a piece of wire in there. I think we've got. No, I can't. Yeah, we've got a bit of a crimped core on this. This is practically the same as an American lock core. Well, not practically the same. This is definitely way cheaper. It's got a crimped core. We're not going to get that picked, but I guarantee there's absolutely no security pins in there at all. It'll be all standard pins with real bad slop. I'll show you this challenge lock. So this, here it is. They're almost identical, as you can see. This one though comes with, someone's put in it, which is a ABUS core, which is really cool. I've had a couple of goes at this at some point, very tricky, but if you're interested in seeing me pick this challenge lock, you know, because a lot of you don't really pick them anymore, but if there's anyone interested, let me know in the description, because I'm really curious to find out how he made this this ABUS core work in this lock, because I guarantee it's exactly the same fittings inside, and it's going to have similar actuator to that, like that is there, the back of that. But yeah, should be interesting. But yeah, I'll show you a bit into that ABUS as well, and show you it's an ABUS lock. There's the bit in. But yeah, if you want to see me pick this, please leave a comment. But yeah, that's it for today. Like I say, I hope you're all doing well. Let's pull that there. Thank you very much for watching. All stay safe. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.